Hello there and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you enjoy this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online courses we offer. In one of my classes this week I had a new student, and before the class began we were chatting and I was trying to find out a bit about her, get to know her a little bit. And she mentioned the fact that she was self-employed. I was quite impressed by this and asked when and why she'd decided to strike out on her own and set up her own little business. And she told me that she used to work for a big language school, and for quite a long time things had been quite difficult there. She'd had a rather tumultuous relationship with her boss. Her boss had been very pushy and very demanding, and she was just about managing to put up with working there when finally one of her colleagues phoned in sick with COVID, and she got lumbered with all of her colleagues' classes. And for her, that brought things to a head, and she decided there and then that it was time to quit. If you say that things come to a head, or that something brings things to a head, you mean that the situation reaches a point where you feel that action has to be taken. The situation gets to a point where you have to do something about it. So maybe in a relationship things have been bad between the two of you for quite some time, and then your partner goes off drinking and doesn't come home till 4 o'clock in the morning, and this brings things to a head, and you decide to call it a day and move on and go your separate ways. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure you click the like button, the thumbs up sign. It helps us with the algorithm. It helps more people find out about what we do. Please do share the videos with your friends, your colleagues, your students, and in the comments section below, we'd love to see examples of how you think you might use come to a head or bring things to a head.